Swimming pools, those refreshing sanctuaries on scorching days, serve as a beacon of joy and relaxation for many. However, their allure can swiftly diminish if they're not diligently maintained. Without regular cleaning and upkeep, these shimmering oases can quickly succumb to the relentless onslaught of dirt and grime. Even the tiniest layer of filth can embed itself stubbornly into the pool's material, transforming its pristine waters into a murky, uninviting mess. Thus, it becomes imperative to embark on a comprehensive cleaning regimen to restore the pool to its former glory, ensuring that every dip remains a refreshing delight. Solar panels, those marvels of modern technology harnessing the power of the sun, play a crucial role in renewable energy generation. Yet, their efficiency can be compromised by the accumulation of sand and dust, particularly in regions with arid climates like India. Despite the best efforts of conscientious owners to mitigate this buildup, the relentless march of nature often necessitates innovative cleaning solutions. In India, for instance, specialized systems have emerged to combat this challenge head-on, ensuring that solar panels continue to operate at peak efficiency by maintaining a pristine surface free from obstructive debris. In the realm of gaming, where victory often hangs in the balance of split-second decisions and lightning-fast reflexes, the state of one's equipment can make all the difference. A seemingly insurmountable level may not be a testament to one's skills, but rather a consequence of a neglected gamepad. Over time, dirt and grime can accumulate on these essential peripherals, impeding their responsiveness and hindering gameplay. Thus, it becomes imperative to embark on a thorough cleaning regimen, dislodging the accumulated filth and restoring the gamepad to its former glory, ensuring that no virtual challenge remains unconquered. Ventilation and air conditioning systems, those silent guardians of indoor comfort, often toil away unnoticed until a problem arises. Yet, behind their sleek exteriors lies a hidden world of dirt and debris, accumulated over time through countless cycles of use. From the outside, they may resemble the burrows of forest creatures, with layers of grime clinging to every surface. However, with a thorough dousing of water, the accumulated dirt is effortlessly washed away, leaving every component of the unit looking as good as new. It's a reminder that regular maintenance is essential to ensure these indispensable systems continue to operate efficiently, providing a breath of fresh air to indoor spaces. Air handling systems, intricate networks of ducts and vents, are essential for maintaining healthy indoor air quality. However, these vital systems are not immune to the relentless onslaught of dirt and debris that accumulates over time. Fortunately, specialized attachments equipped with flexible structures and brushes have emerged to facilitate safe and high-quality cleaning operations. With their assistance, piles of characteristic dirt flakes are effortlessly dislodged, ensuring optimal functionality and performance for these essential systems. The trunk of a car, that oft-neglected space reserved for transporting groceries, luggage, and various odds and ends, can quickly become a paradise for dirt and debris. Fortunately, a powerful vacuum equipped with a fine nozzle is capable of picking up almost all debris, from small stones to loose crumbs, restoring the trunk to its pristine condition. It's a reminder that even the most overlooked areas of a vehicle require regular attention to ensure a clean and comfortable driving experience. The whimsical facade of a Pikachu, that iconic creature beloved by millions, can quickly lose its charm when obscured by a layer of grime. Similarly, household toys, though cherished companions in the realm of imagination, are not immune to the accumulation of dust and germs over time. Thus, it becomes imperative to implement a comprehensive cleaning system capable of restoring these cherished possessions to their former glory. Not only does this ensure their bright colors and cleanliness are preserved, but it also helps prevent damage to delicate plastic parts such as eyes and features. What appears to be a bustling factory is in fact a food establishment, where culinary delights are crafted with care and precision. Yet behind the scenes, the kitchen's hoods bear witness to the relentless onslaught of grease and grime that accumulates with each culinary creation. Cleaning these hoods is no small feat, given their intricate design and the tight confines of the space. However, seasoned experts armed with specialized equipment and expertise know precisely how to tackle this challenge, leaving no trace of dirt behind. It's a testament to their dedication and skill that even the most stubborn dirt doesn't stand a chance against their meticulous attention to detail. Transforming a heavily soiled sofa, even one originally pristine in its whiteness, into a beacon of cleanliness is no small feat. Fortunately, expert cleaners, armed with specialized techniques and equipment, are more than up to the task. With their skill and dedication, they breathe new life into furniture, restoring not only its appearance, but also its comfort and allure. It's a reminder that even the most stubborn stains and odors can be banished with the right approach, ensuring that every piece of furniture looks and feels its best. Cleaning tiles may seem like a straightforward task, but on large surfaces, it can quickly become a time-consuming endeavor. Even with a complete range of tools at one's disposal, the process is far from simple, requiring meticulous attention to detail to ensure every inch is thoroughly clean. Gaps between tiles, in particular, demand special care to prevent the buildup of grime and mold. It's a reminder that even seemingly minor details can make a significant difference in achieving a truly immaculate surface. Drying machines, those indispensable appliances that ensure our clothes emerge fresh and ready to wear, are not immune to the accumulation of dirt and debris over time. Neglecting their maintenance can result in a buildup of grime in various compartments, compromising their efficiency and longevity. Thus, it becomes imperative to remove this detritus in a timely manner, ensuring the continued reliability and performance of these essential appliances. Shoes, those faithful companions that accompany us on countless journeys, often conceal a trove of hidden grime awaiting discovery. Similarly, graffiti-laden trains in urban locales present a common problem, necessitating painstaking cleaning efforts and specialized solvents to restore their former luster. It's a reminder that even the most mundane objects can harbor unexpected surprises, requiring diligent attention to ensure they remain clean and presentable. Smartphones, those ubiquitous gadgets that keep us connected to the world, are not immune to the accumulation of dirt and debris that can impede their functionality. From clogged charging ports to muffled speakers, a myriad of issues can arise when dirt infiltrates vital components. Fortunately, specialized cleaning tools are available to tackle these challenges, ensuring that smartphones remain in peak condition for optimal performance. It's a reminder that regular maintenance is essential to prolonging the lifespan of these indispensable devices. Laser cleaning technology emerges as a beacon of efficiency, effortlessly eradicating dirt from small objects and textured surfaces with unparalleled precision. Restoring vintage keyboards to their former glory is a testament to the transformative power of expert restoration, breathing new life into cherished relics. It's a reminder that even the most seemingly irreparable items can be revitalized with the right approach, ensuring that their beauty and functionality endure for generations to come. Even the most soiled carpets, seemingly beyond redemption, can undergo a miraculous transformation with the aid of proper equipment and expertise. Multifunctional cleaning tools simplify the arduous task of cleaning modern computer mice, accommodating diverse shapes and surfaces with ease. It's a reminder that, with the right tools and techniques, even the most daunting cleaning task can be tackled with confidence, ensuring that every space remains clean and inviting. Ultrasonic baths wield unparalleled efficacy in restoring jewelry to its pristine state, eliminating grease, dust, and tarnish in record time. Meanwhile, the meticulous cleaning of roofs in the UK involves sophisticated systems that recycle water and obliterate stubborn dirt and debris. It's a reminder that innovative technologies continue to revolutionize the cleaning industry, offering solutions that are both effective and environmentally friendly. Peering into the recesses of pipes unveils a disconcerting accumulation of dirt and rust, prompting the deployment of mixer-like systems to dislodge sludge from their walls. A smiling sponge, paired with a specialized cleaning paste, becomes a beacon of cleanliness, adeptly scouring stoves and various surfaces to perfection. It's a reminder that even the most overlooked areas of our homes require attention to ensure they remain clean and functional. Neglecting the condition of a washing machine drum invites a grim fate, necessitating meticulous disassembly and cleaning to restore optimal functionality. Similarly, brick or block retaining walls accrue dirt and mold with ease, compelling professional cleaners to deploy high-pressure washers for their restoration. It's a reminder that regular maintenance is essential to prolonging the lifespan of our appliances and outdoor structures, ensuring they remain in top condition for years to come. Reflecting on the time spent lounging on the couch brings to light the importance of regular cleaning to maintain hygiene and comfort. Fortunately, modern cleaning solutions render the task more practical and convenient, ensuring even the most stubborn dirt is banished from furniture. It's a reminder that our homes should be sanctuaries of cleanliness and comfort, where every surface invites relaxation and enjoyment. In a world brimming with wonders and mysteries, Braintime beckons with a treasure trove of incredible facts spanning past, present, and future. From the awe-inspiring power of nature to the enigmatic realm of unsolved mysteries, subscribers embark on a journey of enlightenment and discovery that promises endless fascination. It's a reminder that curiosity knows no bounds, and there's always something new and exciting to learn about the world around us.